Hello guys, welcome back to our another brand new video. Today I'll discuss about car accident, uh, car car rig attorney. After your accident, a car accident attorney can gather information from the accident, give you legal advice, and negotiate with insurance companies, and help you um, pursue compensation for your losses. You can heal from it and get back to your normal routine. Car accident can be traumatic for the victims, from the lacerations and bruises to traumatic brain injuries and broken bones. Victim may suffer a range of serious injuries. Some of my require several weeks and thousands of dollars in medical and rehabilitative treatments. Harder still, she lost of loved one in an car accident. After a crash, recovery should be priority. However, when you are well enough, you may also want to consider seeking support from a car accident lawyer. On top of the physical and emotional burden from the car accident, you may encounter financial hardship as you deal with medical bills, vehicle repair and replacement cost, and lost wages, from speed limits to distracted driving laws. State and federally enforced measures promote safety and prevent colli- collisions. Non-famous crashes are a common problem throughout the United States. According to the National Highway Traffic Administration, statistics show that 36 120 people died in car accident last year. When someone disobeys local or federal traffic laws, or drives recklessly or responsibly, they should face the consequence for their actions. This can include traffic tickets, license suspensions, fees, and even jail time, depending on the offense and harms caused. They may also be responsible for compensating the victims. If the liable party is insured and their insurance company covered the incident's losses, then it may be pay victim for losses such as medical bills and property damage. However, if they are under insured, uh, uninsured, or their insurance provides payout is insufficient, victim may wish to file a personal injury case. Car accident lawyers can be valuable resource in any of the above circumstances, as pursuing financial hours for your losses can be a complicated endeavor. First, the victim must prove caused the accident and establish the sequence of events and circumstances that contributed to their crash. They will also need to gather evidence to support their claims, which may include eyewitness accounts, police reports, medical reports, and receipts for repairs. The plaintiff may also need to communicate with insurance companies and the other party or its legal representative. Will some personal injury suits resolved with a settlement, it is sometimes necessary to take claim to civil court. A car accident lawyer can assist with you conducting an investigation, reviewing police reports and medical records, and gathering eyewitness testimonies. Demonstration the circumstances surrounding the crash as well as the sequence of events, providing who was at fault, building case based on the details of the accident, establishing as a strategy, strategy to seek compensation on your behalf, communicating with insurance companies, lawyer and other involved parties on your behalf, representing you in negotiations or a court of law if necessary, keeping you updated throughout the process and address any concerns or questions you have. Some cases may be more difficult to investigate than others, like accidents involving judicial companies, commercial truck, public transportation, and sensation vehicles. In any of these circumstances, there may be more than one liable party, or the liable party may be corporation or city or state government. A car accident lawyer can help ensure you abide by the relevant procedure when it comes to dealing with sick kinds of parties. Every state has status of limitations that leading of planets of file laws against another party as the legal information institute defines it. The state of limitations varies depending on your local and the party against whom you are bringing a claim for. Example, the state limitation bring a suit against another civilian, maybe 2 or 3 years. Whereas you may have only 6 months to bring a suit against a local government. The statute of limitations is not the same as the as time frame within which you should file an insurance claim. You should always file a claim or at least notify your insurance company as soon as possible. Some providers specify you must notify them within a reasonable time for your claim to be appealed. Again, these times may vary across state.